To update your graphics drivers, first, you will need to find what type of graphics driver you have installed. Click the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run command dialog box. Type in dxdiag and press OK. This will call up the DirectX Diagnostic Tool window. From there, click on Display, and the graphics card details will be shown. Once you know what kind of graphics card you have, find your manufacturer's driver download webpage to download the latest driver. If you're still experiencing performance issues, try selecting Clean Driver Installation from the Advanced or Custom Settings menu on your driver installation. If you've completed all previous steps and tried uninstalling and reinstalling your graphics driver as well, but are still experiencing issues, visit the support page for more information and additional troubleshooting steps.